2026, wait on the new car. He's giving you information, good mechanic. What other?
We're having problems, even Toyota and Honda.
See? What other information can you give these young drivers on cars, information? Just a couple of quick things.
You gotta watch these dealerships, especially these turn-ins or miles turn back. You can see with these big dealerships, Ford, GM, Chrysler, all of them, they're doing.
Big dealerships.
Small, and any car you want, you get, you always ask them if they haven't looked at it.
See, he's giving
If they say no, or I got somebody else coming, then walk away from it.
And that's the hard, because you might find a car you love. I gotta have this car. I gotta have this car.
And
I gotta.
You got some kid that has it.
Right.
Looks like they beat the crap out of it.
See, that kid beat the crap out of that car. The top end is 132. We won't say the name, but that car's been 132 miles an hour. It's been to Texas multiple times, Ohio, Florida. It's been extremely reliable, minus brakes, because the young man likes to go super fast. And brake rotors are throwaway items now, right?
Yep.
Before, back in the day, you just...
Audis and BMWs, they're pretty much junk. They're not like they used to.
You know you like those high performance foreigns.
I'm getting a Lexus.
We're not mad. But I'm simply saying...
Lexus, it's not bad, but they're expensive to fix.
See? Foreign maintenance. You gotta know someone. You gotta stay on top of your maintenance. He's giving you real...
And Lexus is, believe it or not, a lot like GM, and GM is not that great.
So he's making you think.
I
But
can tell you stories about General Motors.
you gotta think, you gotta be careful.
I used to work in the experimental department.
Ooh. See?
And I didn't work for them. They called me in, especially.
So you're learning some real life stuff about cars. You built...
Lexus are not bad, but they do have a lot of issues. I got a buddy that's all he buys is Lexus, and he's constantly in there all the time.
See? You're learning.
Maybe I'll have to be in here all the time.
But you just talk to someone...
You just gotta look at it, see who has it, make sure that they took care of it. You know what I mean? Not beat it, trash it. You know what I mean? You know, you just gotta watch, because especially in Michigan, there's a lot of things that go on here. Especially, like, for instance, I have a lot of Arab friends, but there's a lot of Arabs I will not buy a car from.
See? You're talking real life relationships.
Because you gotta remember, a car lot guy, his best friend, I don't care how good a friend you are, his best friend is the money in his pocket. That's his best friend.
You heard that? Money in the pocket.
He'll sell you everything. They care about looks. They don't care about the undercarriage. I just had a lady bought a car that shouldn't have been sold because the frame was rotted, but it looked good.
They're switching tags all the time too, so you got to really do your due diligence and your research.
Especially in Michigan cars.